Welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to make Find the Odd emoji out videos. Let's not wait any further, and let's get started. First, you have to go to search browser and type Canva on search bar. Log into your account, or create one if you don't have one. Then you have to go to video option and click on it. The dimensions for this will automatically be set to 1920x 1080px, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Go to the background tab on the left sidebar. Choose a solid color, gradient, or image. For this game, it's better to go with something neutral like a light blue or white, as emojis need to stand out. Recommendation: use a soft gradient, like blue fading into white, to keep the attention on the emojis. Pro tip: avoid too many distracting background elements. If you want to make engaging video for your viewers, I prefer to use spiral background, which looks more authentic and make viewers to watch video for longer time. There are a lot of options in Canva from which you can choose and can make your video stand different among others. After choosing your background, you have to set a timeline for your page. You can set the page at 16 seconds, which is not too long as viewers may get bored by watching one page longer, and not too short also. Click on the Text tab from the left sidebar. Choose a heading text box or type T on the keyboard and text will appear. Type: Find the odd emoji out. Font: use a bold and fun font like Anton or Lobster for a playful and eye-catching look. Font color: use a contrasting color like dark blue or white to make it pop. Ensure it contrasts well with the background. Text position: center the text at the top of the video screen. Then also change the font size of the text. Then add the effect to the video, which will make it stand out different from others' video. You also have to check the timeline of the text, but we will deal with it later. Adding the effect to your text, which will make your text look brighter and look good on the screen of the viewer. If you like this tutorial video, then please do subscribe my channel and support me in this journey. I will make other tutorial videos also. Then you have to make the space in which emojis will be enhancing their color, and they will look brighter. So for that, you have add the rectangle to the page, which will be of white color or any color you want, and choose it, and clicking on corner rounding will make it look good. Click on the main game text and apply the fade or pan animation. You want the title and instruction to appear smoothly at the beginning. For instructions, consider the typewriter animation for a dynamic feel. Add the answer text and add the effect on the text and animate it according to your choice. 13 or 14 seconds for the text to appear after the title. Animation: use typewriter or fade for a clean, fun look. Start time: zeros right after the title appears. End time: 12.5s when the gameplay starts. And according to the other text timing we want it to appear or end. Add a countdown, optional. Add countdown timer. Go to the Elements tab and search for countdown timer. Use a simple loading countdown bar. Set it at the top of the video. Or you can download it from other free websites. If you want them, then let me know in the comment section. Font color: use a contrasting color like red or yellow. Animate the countdown. Add an animation like fade for the countdown numbers so that they appear one by one. And check the element timing FOT, how long you want it to appear. Sound effects. Consider adding a sound effect for when the odd emoji is highlighted. You can find sound effects by typing ding or whoosh in the audio section. Set the sound to play when you highlight the odd emoji. Timing. Use the timeline at the bottom to synchronize the sound effect with the appearance of the odd emoji. You can also download the sound effects from other websites according to your preference, which will be free of use. If you want the name of those websites, then comment down below, and I will make this separate video for it. I am using other websites' audio. You can use Canva free audio, which it provides. And just like that, you can add the audio on your video. And then you have to adjust the time length of your audio according to your video. Effects for transition. Purpose: it should be set at the end of. Slide in the timeline for putting background, and Sound effects in all slides, delete all. The text shapes and emojis for downloading, click on the share button and press them. Download the file is downloaded. Here, bring it to Canva as well. Now press Ctrl-Z to restore all deleted data. Delete the background and sound effects. Put the downloaded file over here in the layer option, select send to back by. Doing this, the background is now behind. For generating more slides, right-click on three dots, click on duplicate page. Type circle. Ring, select this one, decrease its size, and place it here for animation pulse. Motion is more suitable. Now go in the timeline and decrease the slide size by 12 seconds. For setting timing, right-click on the timer op show. Timing timer should be set for 4 seconds. In the right-hand panel, you'll see the pages of your design. Hover over the page you want to duplicate. Then, to make a video look full, we can add the number slide. To add the number slide in the video, if you want it, is totally optional. So now add the another page and select the design from intro designs, and after selecting that, you can change the text to number 1 and it will make the video look great. And then shift the number slide before the emoji slide and duplicate the number slides and repeat the same process. And you can do this for as many slides you want, just change the number of the page. Please do subscribe my channel if you like this video. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then type emoji in the search bar. You will see various emoji images that you can use. You can either search for specific emojis, e.g., smiley face, heart, etc., or use a collection. Select 5 identical emojis for the Find the Odd Emoji Out game. Place these in a grid. Keep space between them for the viewers to focus on. Positioning. Use Canva's alignment guides to place the emojis in a row or grid. You can add as much emojis you want, and you can make them bigger or smaller, which will make difficult for viewers. You can resize by dragging the corners. Choose one emoji to be different. For example, you can use a different color or expression for that emoji. To differentiate it, click on the emoji and either change the emoji, use a completely different one like a laughing face instead of a smiley. Change color. If your emoji is a simple icon, like a circle, use the color options to change it. Then click on circle outline and put that on the odd emoji to highlight it. Click on each emoji and then select the animate option in the top toolbar. Choose an animation style that gives each emoji a fun movement, like pop or breathe. This will create excitement and keep viewers engaged. Duration. Set the animation duration to 1.5 seconds to avoid slow transitions. Then repeat the same process for the next and other slide, and add the different emojis in each of them, which have the variation for odd emojis. Click the play button to preview your video. Make sure the emojis are easy to see, the text is legible, and the timing feels right. Adjust the timing if needed to match the visuals with the music and sound effects. And this how your video will look after doing the edits and making the duplicate page with different emojis and all. You can add the other type of emojis also in your video, like alphabet or number or any other common thing, which will make it look different than the other videos. Once satisfied, click on the download button in the top right corner. Choose MP4 video format for YouTube. Set the quality to high and click download. And if you want to add the music or do the other edits to the video, then do it in video editing software. If you want the other editing details on video editing software, then let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video on it. Please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.